how to make money on Pinterest as a creator. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how to make money on Pinterest as a creator. If you're a creative individual, content creator, or business owner, Pinterest offers a great opportunity to monetize your creativity and reach a wide audience. With its visual discovery platform, Pinterest allows you to showcase your interests, ideas, products, and services in a visually appealing way. In this tutorial, we will explore different strategies and tips to help you monetize your presence on Pinterest. We'll cover topics such as affiliate marketing programs, using existing monetized platforms, and promoting your own platform. By implementing these strategies, you can turn your passion, skills, and ideas into a source of income in Pinterest. So whether you're an artist, blogger, influencer, or small business owner, Pinterest offers a creative and lucrative platform to showcase your work and connect with your target audience. So let's get started. Now, like I said earlier, the first tip or the first strategy that I am going to teach you or I'm going to talk about is affiliate marketing. In Pinterest, you can simply post a product of a specific product in any e-commerce platform out there that offers affiliate marketing, and then you could generate some leads, or you can simply promote them by posting their products, giving a review on the products by simply posting a video or even a photo of the specific product, and then you will be able to post like a link, your affiliate link to that specific product, and then whenever they select or watch a specific photo that you have posted, for example this one, imagine this is a product of you reviewing a product that you are trying to have or trying to sell as an affiliate marketer, and when they click on one of your links on your description, they will be redirected to the page, for example Amazon. They will be redirected to the product page, and whenever that someone purchases the product, you will be able to receive a commission, a percentage on how much you have earned. That is how you will be able to earn through affiliate marketing. Now, there are a lot of platforms out there that offers affiliate marketing. One example is Amazon, and there's also eBay. There's also TikTok if you would like to use those platforms. There are a lot of different e-commerce platforms out there that you could apply for affiliate marketing. You can also apply for brand promotion. You can simply contact different brands and try to promote their products. You could start with small-time business owners or any branding that you could find in the internet. It is completely up to you on how your strategy on connecting with other people with this affiliate marketing plan. Now, there are ways to apply for affiliate marketing. For example, in Amazon, you could sign up for their Amazon influencer program, as you can see here, which should allow you to be one of Amazon's influencer, and you can simply promote their products, like promote using Amazon, promote a specific product over here. For example, we have a pants product over here. You could give a review, make a video about it, and then give your reviews about it, promote it, convince people to buy the specific product, and then you can paste it in Pinterest or post it. And when people watch such videos, of course, if ever you were able to take their attention, they will view it by simply opening it, and then they will be able to see your product over here. Then you could click on the link and they would be redirected to the specific page of the product, and if there's some luck, they could purchase the product, and then by doing that, you will be able to receive some commission for your post. That is one of the ways to earn money. You will be able to do this to any platforms out there that offers affiliate marketing. You could also use eBay and Amazon over here, like what we did with our example over here. Now, another way or another strategy for you to earn money with Pinterest is by promoting existing monetized platforms of yours. For example, you have your TikTok account, Instagram account, Facebook, or even YouTube. If you're already monetized or already starting to earn money, you can simply post a post over here that promotes the specific platform. For example, you have an Instagram account. You can also post the things that you have posted in Instagram in this section, and you can simply link them with your Instagram account. And then, of course, through Instagram, you will be able to earn depending on how their monetization work. But for example, you have a TikTok and you start earning by gaining views in TikTok. You can also post your TikTok account here, your TikTok videos, and you could add the link over here So when they open it, or if there's a chance, they will be able to redirect to your TikTok page, and you will be able to start earning there as well. You could use Pinterest itself as a promoter for your different platform, especially for platforms that are already monetized. Just like I said earlier, you have TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. There are also other platforms there that can give you some money and possibly already monetized for you. Now, there are some limitations with this strategy, which is, of course, you're going to have to be monetized to be able to start promoting it with Pinterest. Now, if you don't have any monetized platform, it will be unfortunate because you wouldn't be able to properly execute this strategy because you're missing the monetized part. But you could also still use Pinterest to help you promote your platform until you will be able to get monetized. That is one of the way. For example, you're trying to get monetized in TikTok and like there's a lot of requirements for that. For example, we have the TikTok shop, which will only be activated or only be opened if you have 1,000 followers. You could use Pinterest to help you gain 1,000 followers by simply posting your videos here as well. And then, like I said, you will be adding your link, and then when they click this or open the link that you have posted, they will be redirected to your page, and if by some luck they follow you, you will be able to start gaining followers through your Pinterest account over here. You can also do this to your e-commerce shop if ever you have your own e-commerce shop. For example, you have Shopify, Printify, any dropshipping business, any online business that you have, you could use Pinterest to start promoting them. Now, there are direct ways to start earning money with Pinterest. For example, over here, as you can see, you could partner with brands like I said earlier. You could tag brand partners in your pins with paid partnership tool. Just make a pin and the paid partnership label and tag your partner brand. Once they approve your request, their brand name will appear on your pins, and brand can also choose to promote your pins as ads, expanding to reach even more people. And when you use the paid partnership tool, you will be able to work directly with the brand and define the payment and terms and processes. The payment will depend on the branding or your partner and you yourself. Pinterest will not intervene or be a part of how you are getting paid with your post like this one. As you can see, we have a preview over here on the left side. You will have a tag which you will be able to add it to your brand partners. Now, another one is to make your pins shoppable. For example, you're going to tag or add as a tag a product that you are going to promote in the video. This is very similar to the affiliate marketing plan, but this time this will appear on your videos directly. As you can see here, tagging products in your pins make it easier for people to browse your top picks. They would no longer look through your description and all of those stuff. You can simply add it over here as a tag. As you can see here, this is one of the preview. And you could use this tag using affiliate links so you can earn commissions when people click through and buy. Pinterest isn't a part of affiliate agreement like you can see here. It will not interfere or be a part of your agreement or your payments. And the commission will depend on the terms that you have set up with the external merchants or programs. Pinterest will not be a part of what you do in Pinterest, and it will be completely up to you. Now, to be able to have this features like this in Pinterest, you could go to their mobile phone, and you will be able to access the paid partnership tool by going to the advanced settings in the mobile version. This will not appear on the desktop version because as you can see here, we have this option, visit the Creator Hub. If I click this, it will redirect me to the homepage instead of the Creator Club. Now, this will only be appearing on the mobile version of Pinterest. And that's it, guys. That's how you could earn money using Pinterest as an affiliate program, promoting your existing branding or promoting your own self. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.